Today we're diving into a topic that's both fascinating and transformative: how to make your mental pictures come true. Get ready to unlock the secrets of visualization mastery and harness the incredible power of your imagination. We're on a journey of self-discovery, and I'm thrilled to have you with us. All right, let's get straight into it. Our minds are incredible creators, and the art of turning mental pictures into reality is both an ancient wisdom and a cutting-edge science. Today, we'll explore practical techniques and insights that will empower you to manifest your dreams using the power of visualization. First things first, let's understand what visualization is all about. Visualization is the process of creating vivid mental images that represent your desires, goals, and aspirations. It's like painting the canvas of your mind with the colors of your dreams. Your mind doesn't distinguish between what's real and what's imagined. When you vividly picture something in your mind, your brain and body respond as if it's happening right now. It's this incredible connection between your thoughts and your reality that forms the basis of visualization. Now let's delve into the science of it. When you visualize, you activate the same neural pathways in your brain that are engaged when you physically perform an action. This stimulates the release of neurotransmitters, creating a mental rehearsal that primes your brain and body for success. Your brain has a filter called the reticular activating system, which acts as a gatekeeper for information. Visualization sends a powerful signal to the RAS, telling it what's important to you. As a result, you become more attuned to opportunities, resources, and experiences that align with your mental pictures. Now that we understand the mechanics, let's explore some practical techniques to make your mental pictures not just visions but living, breathing realities. The clearer your mental picture, the more potent it becomes. Take the time to define your desires with precision. Instead of a vague image, create a detailed, high-definition mental movie. See the colors, feel the textures, and immerse yourself in the sensory experience of your envisioned reality. Let's do a quick guided visualization together. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and envision your dream scenario. Whether it's a successful career, loving relationships, or vibrant health, see it in vivid detail. Feel the emotions, breathe in the atmosphere. This is the world you are creating. Emotions are the rocket fuel of manifestation. Infuse your mental pictures with genuine emotions, whether it's joy, gratitude, or excitement. Let the emotional energy radiate from your visualization. Emotions amplify the vibrational frequency, sending a powerful signal to the universe. Think of your mind as a screenplay, and you're the director. Write a visualization script detailing the unfolding of your desires. Be descriptive, use present tense, and focus on the positive outcome. This scripting technique engages your imagination and reinforces the story you want to live. Consistency is the key to ingraining your mental pictures into your subconscious. Set aside dedicated time each day for visualization. Repetition strengthens the neural pathways, making your mental images more vivid and compelling. It's like training a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. Now, let's address some common challenges you might encounter on your visualization journey and how to overcome them. We all want instant results, right? But manifestation is a dance with divine timing. Impatience can create resistance. Trust the process, embrace the journey, and know that every visualization is a step closer to your dreams. Doubt is like a cloud that can cast shadows on your mental pictures. When doubt arises, acknowledge it, but don't let it dominate. Counteract doubt with affirmations and positive self-talk. Remind yourself of your capabilities and the power of your mind. Often, we get caught up in the how of manifestation. How will it happen? When will it happen? Release the need for detailed plans. Trust the universe to orchestrate the hows and focus on aligning your energy with the whats and whys of your desires. As we journey deeper into visualization mastery, let's explore some advanced techniques to take your mental pictures to the next level. Time travel visualization involves seeing your future self already living the life you desire. Step into that future version of yourself. Feel the confidence, joy, and success This technique bridges the gap between present reality and future manifestation, making your goals feel more tangible. Stand in front of a mirror, look into your own eyes, and visualize your desired reality. Speak affirmations and encouragement to yourself. The mirror becomes a portal connecting your present self with the future you are manifesting. Quantum jumping involves envisioning different versions of your reality and choosing the one that aligns with your desires. During meditation, explore parallel realities where your dreams have already come true. Feel the energy of those realities and bring it back with you into the present. I'm curious to know, dear viewers, which visualization techniques resonate with you the most. Have you experienced any remarkable manifestations through visualization? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your experiences can inspire and guide others on their journey. As we draw this exploration to a close, remember that your mind is a powerful tool, and the images you create within it have the potential to shape your reality. Visualization is not just wishful thinking. It's a dynamic force that propels you towards the life you envision. Visualization is more than just a mental exercise. It's a sacred dance between your mind and the universe. As you immerse yourself in the process, you're not just imagining. You're co-creating with the infinite intelligence that surrounds you. Quantum physics reveals that everything in the universe is interconnected through a vast field of energy. When you visualize, you're tapping into this quantum field, sending ripples of intention that can shape the fabric of reality. It's the dance of energy and consciousness, and you are the choreographer. Your thoughts are not isolated entities. They're interconnected threads weaving the tapestry of your life. Visualization is the conscious act of threading those thoughts with intention, creating a harmonious symphony that resonates with the frequencies of your desires. Before we explore more techniques, let's engage in a mindfulness exercise. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and become aware of your thoughts. Now, gently guide your thoughts toward a positive, uplifting image. Feel the energy shift within you as you connect with the potential of your mind to shape your reality. Visualization is not only a tool for manifesting external realities, but also a profound instrument for inner healing. When you visualize health, joy, and vitality, you're directing healing energy to every cell of your being. It's a holistic approach that integrates mind, body, and spirit. Close your eyes and visualize a sphere of radiant light surrounding you. Feel this light permeate every cell, bringing balance and harmony. Visualize any areas of discomfort or tension transforming into streams of healing energy. You are a vessel of pure well-being. Affirmations and visualization go hand in hand, creating a synergistic effect. When you speak positive affirmations while visualizing, you amplify the potency of both practices. Affirmations provide a verbal script, and visualization brings that script to life with vivid imagery. Craft affirmations that resonate with your mental pictures. For example, if you're visualizing a successful career, pair it with affirmations like, "I am a magnet for success." "Every day, my career flourishes, and I am fulfilled." Let's engage in a brief guided affirmation visualization session. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, and repeat after me. "I am the architect of my reality. As I visualize my dreams, I am manifesting a life of abundance, joy, and purpose." Gratitude is the secret ingredient that enhances the alchemy of visualization. When you express gratitude for your envisioned reality as if it's already manifested, you align with the energy of receiving. It's a magnetic force that attracts more blessings into your life. Take a moment each day to visualize a gratitude scene. See yourself surrounded by the people, experiences, and achievements you're grateful for. Feel the warmth in your heart as you express gratitude for the abundance that flows into your life. Imagination is the gateway to infinite possibilities. Your mind is not bound by the constraints of time, space, or circumstance. When you open the door to your imagination, you step into a limitless realm where anything is possible. Approach visualization with the curiosity and wonder of a child. Children effortlessly slip into imaginary worlds, unburdened by skepticism or limitations. Embrace that childlike wonder as you visualize. It opens portals to creativity and innovation, allowing you to dream without boundaries. Let's engage in a creative visualization exercise together. Imagine you have a magic paintbrush. With each stroke, you create the reality of your dreams. Picture yourself painting a vibrant landscape of success, love, and fulfillment. Feel the exhilaration of being the artist of your destiny. I'm curious to know, dear viewers, how has visualization transformed your life? Share your experiences, techniques, or any aha moments in the comments below. Your insights might be the spark that ignites someone else's manifestation journey. As we approach the final segment of our exploration, let's recap the key takeaways. Visualization is a dynamic process that bridges the gap between your thoughts and the manifestation of your desires. It's a journey into the quantum realms of possibility, where your mind becomes the sculptor of your reality. From clarity and emotional engagement to consistency and the integration of gratitude, we've covered essential techniques to amplify the effectiveness of your visualizations. Affirmations and the synchronization of mind and body through healing visualizations add layers to this transformative practice. Advanced techniques such as time travel visualization, the mirror technique, and quantum jumping serve as catalysts for pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Experiment with these techniques, allowing your mind to explore new horizons and create realities beyond conventional limits. You must watch our latest video on the topic, Control This and Get Anything You Want. In this video, we explore the concept of negative self-talk and its pervasive impact on our journey towards success. Learn actionable techniques on how to control your inner voice and harness it as a tool for manifestation. Understand the nuances of your inner dialogue and how it shapes your reality. Click on the I button on the top right corner of the video for the link. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others on their journey. Thank you for embarking on this profound journey of visualization mastery with us. Remember, your mind is a boundless reservoir of creative energy, and your mental pictures have the power to shape the course of your life. We're a community of dreamers, creators, and believers in the magic of manifestation. Until we meet again on this transformative path, keep dreaming, keep visualizing, and know that every thought is a brushstroke on the canvas of your reality. Wishing you a life painted with the colors of your most beautiful dreams.